Right there we have Winston, the blue heron. What you doing, Blue? Go catch a fishy. Are you waiting for the cormorant to catch one and go steal his? That's why you're up there. Because I think he's waiting for the cormorant to catch a fish and steal it from him. Winston! Hi! Okay, bye. Look at what Blue just, see, I told you, he took it from the cormorant. Blue! Now what are you gonna do with him? Okay. Okay, so he took it over there and just... They're bad for actually playing with their food for like a half an hour. They'll dip it in the water and... Yeah, you better get that. Wow. See, he'll just play with it for half an hour, dip it in and out of the water, and I don't know why. All right, bye.